Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about relationships in Power BI. In this video, we will be discussing DAX. We will understand what DAX is, why should we use it, and we will look at the different components of DAX and some examples. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It is a formula language used to create expressions and calculations in Power BI, Excel Power Pivot, and SQL Server Analysis services. Think of DAX as the engine behind calculations in Power BI. It helps in working with large data sets and especially powerful for time intelligent functions. In short, whenever we want to go beyond simple drag and drop visuals in Power BI, DAX makes it possible. We should be using DAX because it is easy to learn. Its syntax look quite similar to Excel formulas. It can handle large data sets efficiently. We can perform advanced calculations and create custom business logic. Most importantly, DAX is fully integrated into Power BI, so it unlocks the real analytical power of the tool. In other words, DAX helps turn raw data into meaningful insights. There are three main types of calculations in DAX. They are calculated columns, calculated tables, and measures. Calculated columns are like new fields added to a table based on formulas. For example, if we need a new column in this table which consists of price and quantity, we will be creating a new calculated column by writing the DAX expression for the same. We are here in the Power BI desktop. In order to see from where we can create new calculated column, calculated table and measures, we will go to the table view. Then we will go to the table in which we want to add a new calculated column. Now we will go to the calculation section by clicking on the new calculated column and writing the text expression and clicking on enter. Our new calculated column will be created. Measures are the dynamic calculations created at query time. They don't store data but calculate values on the fly, such as total sales or average profit margin. If you want to create measures, you can go to the table view. You will go to the calculation sections and click on new measures. By writing the DAX expression here and clicking enter, your new measure will be created. When calculated tables are created in Power BI, entire tables generated using DAX formulas, often by combining or filtering data from other tables. Together, these allows us to model, analyze and visualize data in a very flexible way. Here, the table C is a calculated table which is generated using DAX by giving the reference from table A and table B. We can create a calculated table by going to the table view. We will go to the calculations section. We will click on new table and writing the DAX expression here and clicking on enter, our new calculated table will be created. And that's it. In the next video, we will learn about DAX syntax and functions in details. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.